Hello everyone. Thank you very much for having me. I'm Dr. Chanchal Abraham and I'm going to present to you about Swachhata Action Plan in our institution, Kerala University College of Teacher Education, Nedumangad. And our college is very much active in Swachhata Action Plan. Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Ministry of Human Resource Development in Government of India strive to promote resilient rural India through higher education interventions. MGNCRE designs, develops and promotes curriculum inputs for higher education programs offered by universities and autonomous institutions in India. The higher educational streams of focus for MGNCRE include rural studies, rural development, rural management, social work, and education. The curriculum inputs are both theoretical and practical, field-related, relevant to rural India. Activities in the institution, that is Kerala University College of Teacher Education. The maintenance of hygiene and sanitation in the Kerala University College of Teacher Education, Nedumangad, comprises of the participation of all staff, both teaching and non-teaching. Grievance cell regarding the sanitation facilities in the campus comprises of a teacher in charge and the student union members. Activities in the institution. Some of the activities in the campus can be explained under the 5 themes listed below. They are sanitation and hygiene, waste management, water management, energy management, and greenery. Sanitation and hygiene. Activities on campus consist of post-COVID-19 sanitation measures and drill, clean and functional toilets, safe drinking water, clean surroundings, clean buildings and rooms, zero littering. Subject association activities are also there. So socially usable productive works are there for the students. And most of the community-based practicals are based on school internship. We are collaborating with more than 10 schools in Tirunelveli district, and there they have capacity building programs and conscientization programs. Activities in practice in schools consist of promotion of clean surroundings and zero littering, and the methods used by the students are awareness programs and live activities. Some of the pictures are here. And waste management consists of the activities in the campus consists of campus waste segregation and reduction in waste month on month, set up pit for waste dumping only for organic waste, then ban flex banners, only cloth banners to be used, paperless work, use email and parts of WhatsApp for communication. Activities in college, we promote the students for waste segregation, reduction in waste, and set up pit for waste management. And the methods used were presentation and live programs by our students. Then water management activities in the campus consist of providing drinking water on campus, purified water, fixing leaky taps, and activities for cleaning well. Activities in practice in schools consist of promotion of drinking of safe water and water conservation. For that, the students use awareness programs on preservation and conservation of water. Energy management activities on the campus are monitoring the use of electricity in the campus. Activities in practice in schools conducting awareness programs on energy management. And greenery activities on campus consist of maintenance of natural greenery around the campus with lot of fruit plants, eco-friendly agricultural practices and harvesting. Activities in the school, practice in schools, setting up nursery and kitchen garden and its promotion, and landscaping in school campus. And these are the activities that we have done in our institution, and our future plans regarding this are Kerala University College of Teacher Education, Nedumangad, Swachhata and Rural Engagement Cell, SCSSRC, REC, comprises the committees working for solving problems related to the 5 major themes with the support from the student union members, class representatives, and non-teaching staff. And there is a SAP committee, faculty, and other staff in charge were there. Sanitation and hygiene, waste management, water management, energy management, and greenery. Our future plan on sanitation and hygiene are post-COVID-19 sanitation measures, clean and functional toilets, safe drinking water, clean surroundings, clean buildings and rooms, campus landscaping, zero littering, and technology-enabled solution. We added campus landscaping and technology-enabled solutions for sanitation and hygiene. Then activities in community and school, we proposed to organize awareness programs for better sanitation practices, using of toilets, hand washing, health and hygiene awareness, and garbage disposal, and conduct surveys to drive behavioral change with respect to sanitation behavior, and prepare wall paintings to promote Swachhata activities in schools. And the waste management, we added the activities on the campus such as campus-wise waste audit, recycling waste, paper, organic waste from canteens and kitchen, and set up compost pit for recycling waste. An activity and ban plastic use in the campus, and technology-enabled solutions are also added in waste management activities. Then activities in community schools, setting up compost, promotion of setting up of compost pits in schools, then awareness camps for clean and greenery, zero littering, including banning single-use plastic, then installing biogas plants. Water management, we added for activities in campus such as audit of water sources in the campus, audit of monthly water use in the campus, audit of drinking water on campus, bottled water including, then constructing an increasing number of rainwater harvesting pits in the campus, and recycling water such as gray, brown, and black. Activities in the communities or schools consisting of constructing and increasing the number of rainwater harvesting pits in the schools and encouraging it. Then team energy management, we added activities on campus such as audit of energy efficient heating, cooling, lighting, and water systems in the campus, audit of building wise monthly use of electricity, incentivize reduced electricity usage by the departments and buildings, then create a short-term and long-term plan for the use of solar energy on the campus, cycles on the campus reducing carbon footprints, reducing carbon footprints via intelligent purchase standard operating procedures, and partner with local NGOs and CSR organization in this field. And activities in community schools consist of survey of CFL, LED lamps, electric fan regulator to conserve electricity, awareness camps on energy efficient electrical appliances, partner with local NGOs organizations in this field. And greenery, for greenery we added more in our campus activities such as setting up a nursery or kitchen garden, setting up a seed bank, setting up a compost pit, researching trees that take up minimal water and are good for the ecosystem, that is local resilient species, and planting them during monsoon and taking care of them. Landscaping on the campus, use of organic manure for the plants, and new buildings on the campus will follow green building norms. And activities in the schools consist of eco-friendly agricultural practices and school landscaping and documenting indigenous knowledge. These are the various activities that consist of 5 teams that conducted in our college and as a part of Swachhata Action Plan. Thank you.